1, 2, 3, come on! Woogie, woogie, woogie. You got a feeling, it's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. You gotta see it, it's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Ooh, you better show that though. Say in and not everywhere. Last song for tonight, y'all. We want to thank y'all for coming out from the bottom of our hearts, y'all. We love you. Come on. We're going to do this one like this. Come on. I'm pretty sure you guys know the words, so we want you guys to sing really loud. Come on. Said you be. Yeah. Said you be. What's your name? She said it was the same as before. My mistake. Did we meet a long time ago when she said no, no? We met 5 minutes ago. No, yeah. And she said you be on my mind for tonight. Said you be on my, said you be on my mind for tonight. Said you be on my. San Diego, did you guys have a good time with us? Yeah, man. Want to say look us up on Facebook, tag us everywhere that you see right now at Tribal Theory. You already know. Come on. Come on. Can we talk outside? I need to swallow my pride. She said, did you forget me? I said, no, I'm just playing. Said, won't you let me explain how I know your name. Said, won't you let me explain, yeah, yeah. Said you be on my mind for tonight. Said you be on my, said you be on my mind for tonight. Said you be on my, I want to say happy birthday to the woman I love, Linnell. Happy birthday, baby. We about to turn up later after this. Turn up, you talking about? One more time, San Diego, let me hear you guys sing it. Sing it loud, y'all. I love it. There we go. Said you'll be on my mind for tonight. Said you'll be